This is Farhad and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create boxes like this inside of Clickfunnels. Let's get it. I already take these three blocks. Plus, I'm going to make it again to show you how to do it. That I'm going to take a wide row section. Inside the row section, there should be three columns. Okay. In this three column, I'm just going to drag and drop the old section to. I'm just trying to save time, so I have already duplicated the section. Just need to set a background color to so that it will be visible for everyone. I'm just going to change the background color of this section. Okay. So in this section, this is a white section, but we think need to take a full way so that it look better. We can see there is an option to move for this section, but it's not any option to give a custom background. For example, if we want to change background from this row, then inter row will be changed, but we don't need that. We want to make it individual section to section. So I'm just going to change it to transparent. It's, to give a color background color for each section, we need to go to column, and when we hover on this section, we will start moving from one section to another section. And let's find out our section. This is our section. This is it's a email on emails on the website. You can see this are changing the color. So I'm going to change the first one. Let's give a color. Okay, yellow. It now looks very good. We need to do some other work. I'm giving to 30, 30, and it should be 15. So it will look better, but we need to give it a bit radius. So I'm going to take a 10 pixel border radius, and same way we can do for other. This is the second section, and we need to do same. The 30 pixel, 30 pixel, 15 pixel, and the background color. Okay, I'm going to give it a different color. So next border radius is done, and I can do it for this one as well. So I'm doing it again 30, 30, and 15. In this section, this one is a bit displaced. So now you say you can there is three section and three blocks are not touching each other. There is spacing between the images. So let's see. Say this is the difference. There is a gap between the each block, and we can create some other. We can beautify this section with padding, top padding, margin. We can also give a title and other feature or whatever we want. For example, we need to take a column first. To column. Now we can take a heading. So I'm just going to change it. This is the heading. You can change the color of the heading so that it looks better. Okay. Font size should be plus. Okay. This is how anyone can create this types of blog inside ClickFunnels so easily. Okay, let's see in the next video.